Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. So today we are going to discuss about the participation of common people in the democratic government. So the first question is they are written, why do we have regular election? So we do have regular election because in the democracy we studied in the last chapter that in a democratic country people select their own representative to run the government. This is the one reason, and the people, those who are selected, they are for limited period. So they are limited period, fixed years. So in India they have 5 years. If they wants to extend their government, then again they after 5 years they need to take the vote of the common people, and then they can run the government. So other way of participating in the democratic government is that then they can, after election happens once in a 5 years, in 5 years. So in between that, people can go take participation in the government by interesting in their working and also criticizing them. So one incident is there in 2005 when government increased the electricity bill. Then the people strongly opposed it, and they started campaign against it sharply, and finally the government has to bound on them, and they decrease the electricity bill for the common people. There are many other ways also people take into the participation into the government. These are dharnas, rallies, strikes, and also signature campaign. These all are campaign, and unfair and unjust are also okay. And also newspaper, magazines, and all others can take participation in the government. Newspaper plays a vital role, and magazines and TV news channels also plays a vital role in a democratic government. So if a country people are alert, then a democratic government will be stronger, otherwise it will be very weak. Even in democratic government, all peoples, irrespective of caste, religion, and gender discrimination, everyone can participate in it. Uh, so now we are going to read need to resolve the conflicts. This is our headline of this para. So need to resolve conflicts. Conflict occurs when people different cultures, religions, regions, or economic background do not get along with each other. They have some difference in between one religion to another religion, one region to another region. Then the conflicts happen, and on it can be solved only through a perfect system. Now we are going to discuss religious procession. Religious procession is very dangerous for a democratic country because these things weaks the government and weaks the democratic system. And also regional, such as two states or three states sharing one river, and if the upper state block the water, then the lower states, those who are lower in the lower place states, they will not get water to cultivate. So it makes a big conflict. And in the history of India, there are so many conflicts about this we found. So equality and justice. Now equality, the democratic government is its commitment to equality and justice. Equality and justice are inseparable. In a democratic country, equality and justice are inseparable. You cannot separate each other. Everyone should get justice. Everyone is equal. So in the Indian constitution, all are equal. It has written that all are equal in the eyes of law. It means in the eyes of justice, all are equal. There is no discrimination in justice. So in India, as we found that in Africa, few some years ago, there was a racial discrimination, which was white people governed the government, and they are treated as their superior, uh, and the black people, those who are, they are treated as the slaves. In India also there were untouchability, that those who are low caste people, they cannot even touch anything. So in with the help of Dr. Ambedkar, Indian constitution has abolished this untouchability forever, and it is a crime. It is considered as a crime in Indian constitution. So everyone can, Dalits and Brahmins and Chaudhris, everyone's sons and daughters can go to school and sit in same bench because of this Indian's democratic constitution. So this chapter is very important for us. We need to understand how the democratic country run, and how we can participate in the democratic country, and what are the reasons of our conflicts. So read the chapter nicely, and I will prepare question answers for you, and I will send it to you next day. Okay, thank you.